Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add thank you page forms in a Convert kit. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to Grow over here. After that, just simply click on Land Pages and Forms. And now from here, if you have a landing page, you can just simply select one of these. Or if you don't have one, just simply click on Create New over here. Just simply click on Landing Page. Just simply select a template that you prefer. So guys, let's say I'm gonna choose this template over here and click on choose. And after that, of course, just simply change the template based on your brand. You can change the elements over here as you can see, and on the right side you should be able to see here different settings based on the element that you have selected. And guys, once you have changed the template based on your brand, in order for you to add a thank you page, just simply click on add page on the top over here, and when they click on subscribe, it will redirect them to this new page. And as you can see, automatically this will be a thank you page. And from here, just simply change the thank you page based on your preferences. And once you have done that, as you can see, when you click on add page, automatically it will be just the same theme, so you don't have to worry anything if you edited your first landing page. And from there, you should be able to theme it out, and you can have a thank you page and just simply click on save and publish in the top right. And there you go. See ya.